Time to wrap it up. Focus. Cue sound going live in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Porsche Cayenne Turbo S E-Hybrid Coupe Technical Review. The 2021 Porsche Cayenne is one of the most dynamic performers in the luxury class. It offers a top-notch cabin and oodles of features. The Cayenne and Cayenne Coupe both boast a striking appearance and impressive performance with up to 5 seats. Whether you prefer embarking upon your next adventure in the Cayenne together with friends, or fall for the iconic lines of the coupe, it is purely a matter of personal taste. But one thing also applies to our two biggest models: every Porsche is first and foremost a sports car. Design. What unites us all is our enthusiasm for the sports car experience. This begins even before we start the engine, with our first glimpse of the dynamic proportions of the Cayenne models and reveal their Porsche DNA. As soon as we get in, we inhale the motorsport atmosphere, thanks to the high-quality standard equipment. Engines. 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. With its 404 kilowatts 5.5 OPS, the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with twin-scroll turbocharger proves to be particularly powerful. The maximum torque of 770 Nm is reached between 2,000 and 4,500 revolutions per minute. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes just 3.9 seconds asterisk. With Sport Chrono package, the stored engine sounds are examples. The acoustic experience can vary depending on the model, equipment and environment. Transmission. The 8-speed Tiptronic S in the Cayenne models reduces fuel consumption thanks to its wide ratio spread, thereby enhancing comfort and athleticism. 8-speed Tiptronic S shifts gear automatically and adapts to your driving style. Chassis systems. Cayenne Turbo. 404 kilowatts 550 PS. Power kW power PS. 4.1 second. Acceleration 0-100 km per hour. 286 km per hour. Top speed. Power unit. Number of cylinders 8. Fuel grade 98. Bore rate 86.0 mm. Displacement 3,996 cc. Power kW 404 kilowatts. Power PS 550 PS. RPM range maximum power 5,750, 6,000 R per minute. Max torque 770 Nm. RPM range maximum torque 2,000, 4,500 R per minute. Max output per liter PSL 138.0 OPSL. Body length 4,926 mm. Width 1,983 mm. Width with mirrors 2,194 mm. Height 1,673 mm. Drag coefficient CD 0.35 centiwatts. Wheelbase 2,895 mm. Front track 1,687 mm. Rear track 1,670 mm. Unladen weight in 2,175 kilograms. Unladen weight EU 2,250 kilograms. Permissible gross weight 2,935 kilograms. Maximum load 760 kilograms. Max towing load braked 3,500 kilograms. Max towing load unbraked 750 kilograms. Maximum permissible roof load with Porsche Roof Transport System 100 kilograms. Mode switch with 4 driving modes. Mode switch with Sport Response button derived from the 918 Spider. located on the steering wheel. Choose from 4 driving modes: Normal, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual. This package doesn't turn the Turbo SE Hybrid Coupe into a lightweight, however. It shaves 48 pounds off the total curb weight, but this chunky coupe over still tips the scales at 5,625 pounds. Thankfully, the Cayenne's fantastic chassis and steering do a lot to mask the sheer heft of this SUV. All versions of the Cayenne are beautifully tuned right out of the gate, and the Turbo SE Hybrid standard air suspension, adaptive dampers and torque vectoring all-wheel drive do a lot to maintain balance and composure while giving this crossover surprising on-road precision. The steering is light enough in normal mode to help you breeze through parking lots, but click the drive mode, select over to Sport or Sport Plus, and you'll be rewarded with the kind of weight and feedback you'd expect in a sports car like Porsche's own 911. The $1,620 rear axle steering option is also a must, as it ever so slightly helps the back end scooch its way through corners. Turbo SE Hybrid models come standard with Porsche's carbon ceramic composite brakes, and they're endlessly powerful with huge 17.3-inch rotors up front clamped by acid green calipers, which are a little much against this car's orange exterior. Porsche Active Aerodynamics. The Cayenne Coupe models have active aerodynamics, as do the Cayenne Turbo and Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid. Active slats in the front air intakes enable the combustion engine to be efficiently cooled. In the Cayenne Coupe models, the adaptive rear spoiler extends by 135 mm, also ensuring the appropriate downforce for every situation. While the adaptive roof spoiler on the Cayenne Turbo provides stabilizing contact pressure on the rear axle while driving. In the route air brake position, this helps to shorten braking distances. Seats. The front adaptive sports seats 18-way electric with memory package are also fully geared towards sporty driving. They guarantee genuine motorsport emotion without having to compromise on comfort. The optional massage function for the front comfort seats 14-way electric provides relaxation on longer journeys. Variability. Other typical strengths of all Cayenne models: the generous amount of space and a stowage volume that can be more than doubled with the rear seat folded down. In addition to this great versatility, there are also a variety of personalization options. In short, almost too good for outings alone. 4-zone automatic climate control. The 4-zone automatic climate control features individual temperature controls for the driver and front passenger, and separate ones for the rear seats too. An active carbon filter traps particles, pollen and odors, and thoroughly filters fine dust from the outside air before it reaches the interior. Infotainment. Porsche Communication Management (PCM) is your control center for audio, navigation and communication. As well as a full HD 12.3-inch touchscreen display, PCM also provides extensive interfaces, voice control system and, of course, online connection.